Welcome to our channel. To discover a hidden documentaries app using a downloader code in 2025, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your streaming device and ensure you have an active internet connection. Step 2. Open the downloader app on your device. If you need to install it, get it from your device's official app store. Step 3. Click on the URL bar at the top of the downloader app to bring up the keyboard. Step 4. Type in the hidden Documentaries app downloader code. Enter it carefully to avoid errors. Step 5. Hit Go to start downloading. The Documentaries app will begin downloading to your device. Step 6. After the download completes, tap Install on the installation prompt that appears. Step 7. Launch the hidden Documentaries app and explore exclusive documentary content not available on mainstream platforms. Step 8. Watch rare and fascinating documentaries covering unique topics, historical events, and untold stories. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.